Welcome to Intro to College Writing. This video is going to walk you through what you need to do and what you need to know for the first week or two of the semester. So to start off, anytime your instructor wants to communicate with you, they're going to communicate through their Blackboard announcements, which will also be sent out as an email to your school email address, or if you're a professional development student, whatever email address you have on file. So if you did not check your email, you can always go into your Blackboard class and look at your announcements to see what your instructor has sent out. The next important tab in Blackboard that we're going to look at is the Start Here and Syllabus tab. In the Start Here and Syllabus tab, you will see that there's a lot of information, but what we want to focus on is your actual syllabus. When you open up your syllabus, you will have access to your instructor's name, their contact info, the textbook info, the grading scale. You need a 78% or higher to pass the class. And then you'll see your course outline. If you have any instructions on your syllabus, you can email your instructor and they will get back to you on that. Going back over into Blackboard, you'll notice that you can get in touch with your instructor through the Instructor Info tab, where you will be able to access your instructor's email address and anything else they have on file. You can also access your grades as a student by clicking on Grades, and you can see upcoming assignments by clicking on the calendar. When you click on the calendar, it will link all of your classes and they will be color-coded, and if you only want to see one, you can remove your check mark and just focus on those due dates. If you are in a virtual class or if your instructor has virtual office hours, you can click on the link and watch the video to learn more about meeting virtually. Now, Intro to College Writing uses Blackboard, which is our Fox Valley Technical College learning management system. This is the program that we're in right now. But Intro to College Writing also utilizes Cengage's MindTap. Cengage is your textbook publisher, and MindTap is the homework component that goes along with your textbook. When you go to the Open House tab in your Blackboard shell, you will see two how-to files. This first link here is a video walking you through MindTap. The second link is a PDF walking you through MindTap. Essentially, all you need to do is click on any blue pinwheel. A blue pinwheel is Cengage or MindTap. When you click on the blue pinwheel, and mine is going to load already set up because I'm already set up, when you click on a blue pinwheel, it will open in a tab and it will walk you through the process. You're probably going to have to use your email address to set up your account. The email address you want to use is your school email address, or again, if you're a professional development student, whatever email address you have on file with the school. But it needs to be the email that is attached to school. Once you walk through the process, it might ask you for your time zone. Your time zone is US Canada, Central US Canada. Do not set it to Eastern or Pacific or Mountain or any other time zone because it will mess with your due dates. So we are US Canada, Central US Canada. Once you have your MindTap all set up, you'll see this Getting Started video. This Getting Started video is part of the textbook, so everything is good to go here. If you're confused on anything related to Blackboard or to MindTap, there are two videos that you can watch. Your MindTap, your textbook, everything through Cengage is included in your tuition, so you don't have to worry about having an access code or a scratch-off, peel-off card or anything like that. You should be able to set it up with your email address and everything will be good. The rest of the videos still apply and they'll still walk you through how to do the class. Next up, if you go in the Week 1 tab, you'll see in the Week 1 tab that you have your materials. Your materials are always going to be your textbook chapters and your PowerPoints that correspond. Your homework is always going to be in a separate homework folder, and this will be where you go to complete any of the assignments that you have, okay? So if you click on MindTap, it will open up your homework and you can do that. Again, if you're confused about what this is, if you go back to the Open House tab, there are two videos that walk you through how to do your homework. One thing to keep in mind is that some computers or some internet browsers want you to enable pop-ups. On my computer, what I need to do is click on the three dots. I'm making this a little bit bigger here. Click on these three dots and I go to settings and I search pop. I just type in pop. I can see that it's highlighted right here, so this is pop-ups. I would click my site settings and I would look for the pop-ups. Again, it's highlighted. Click on it and you want to allow your pop-ups. If you have any additional questions, you can email your instructor and they can help you through the process.